Hey, so it was requested that I go over number 9 and 11 from the assignment. Let's see, I guess this would be Wednesday's assignment. I'm always working a day in advance, so sometimes I forget what day is what. So yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and go through the steps. If you had trouble with this assignment, you can use this. So we have scalar multiplication right here and addition. We follow regular order of operations, so I'm going to multiply first. I need to distribute this 3y into everything in that matrix. So what is that going to give me? Well, get those out of the way. It's going to give me 6y, negative 12y squared, 3zy squared. Then the bottom row is going to give me negative 9xy, 3zx, negative 3zy squared. So if I distribute that to everything, like I said, that's what I should get. Then I'm going to bring this down. Nothing to change here. Okay, that's first of all horrible handwriting, but also I prefer alphabetical order, so I'm going to change all the zy's to yz. So right here, that's zy squared is going to become, excuse me, y squared z, and this is going to become y squared z. Okay, so now we need to add these together. I'm just going to give myself a lot of room. This added to that. 6y plus 2y is 8y. This added to that. Well, those are not like terms, so it's going to be negative 12y squared plus negative 6y, which is 6z, so minus 6z. Then I need to do this added to that. And they're almost like terms, but they're not. So 3y squared z plus yz. Now I need to do the bottom row. Let me change colors for the bottom. This plus that. Not like terms. So negative 9xy plus 4x. This plus that. Not like terms. And wow, this is going to be hard to fit. 3zx plus minus 6 plus x. So that little trinomial there is is an entry into the matrix all in and of itself. And then finally, this plus that, not like terms, so negative 3y squared z plus yz. Okay, so I need to check this answer. I don't know if I can keep it in my short-term memory enough. I'll get them both on the screen at the same time. So 8y, that's right, that's right, that's good, that's not looking right. What the heck? Oh, I see a mistake that I made. Oh, rats. Okay, so when I distributed this times this right here, it's not 3zx, it's 3zxy or xyz or whatever. I forgot one variable. So I'm just going to change that to xyz. And so that's going to change this to xyz or zyx or whatever order they put it in. So that sort of explains the mistake I made right here. And then how about that last term? That is right. Okay, so a lot of stuff to take care of. These variables are a pain in the butt. It's really just to sort of stretch your ability to practice some things and get you really good at manipulating matrices. This is not a practical problem like moving forward in math. You would see variables in matrices, but not quite like this. So this is just kind of a stretch. Number 11. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute this first. It's in parentheses and it's multiply, so on both counts it comes before subtraction. So I'll go ahead and do that. This matrix becomes negative 12q, positive 8m, negative 4p. And then there's a minus sign here in front of it. And then this right there. Okay, so now we subtract. This term minus that term. Well, they are not like terms, so all you can do is write 6 minus minus 12, so that's going to be plus 12q. Next, we have this minus that. Again, not like terms, negative 3pq minus 8m. And then this, change colors, this minus that. We do have some like terms here, so I'm going to change this to, this is going to actually become plus positive 4, so p plus 4p is going to be 5p, and then I just bring down the plus pq. So that should be my answer, unless I made a mistake, like I've been known to do. Here, frame it up together. So that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, so if you had trouble on this, there it is, explanation. Watch it again, slow it down, pause it, whatever you need to do, and I hope this helps.